Derek, your Motor Trend certified vehicle comes with 1 year of paintless dent repair.
Okay.
Are you familiar with the paintless dent repair process?
I'm not.
Okay, most people aren't. Let me ask you this. Have you ever had the opportunity to come out from a movie or a restaurant or a shopping center and find that someone dinged or dented your car?
Yes, at the shopping center all the time.
When it happened, what'd you do about it?
I actually didn't do anything. The dent is still there right now.
You just got mad, right?
Yeah.
Because some rude son of a gun dinged or dented your car, didn't leave a note,
Yeah.
didn't leave a blank check signed with a note saying, here, fill this check out, get it fixed. Any idea what it costs to fix a ding or a dent the size of a dime at a paintless dent repair facility?
No, not sure exactly.
50 to 70 bucks. Okay, if it's as big as a credit card, like 4 inches, it's about $150.
Okay.
Your vehicle's got dings and dents like everybody else in Atlanta. You didn't pay to have them fixed. However, you are going to pay for them. You know how?
Because I get an appraisal done on my vehicle.
When you trade or sell your vehicle, whether it's us or a private buyer or anybody else, they're going to deduct from the value of your vehicle the expense that it will require to fix the dings and dents. Okay? So, you're going to get complimentary paintless dent repair for a year. That means we're going to fix an unlimited number of dings and dents for you. That's going to not only save you money, because you don't have to pay for the repairs, it's going to make you money when you go to trade or sell your vehicle. And by the way, if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than a year, check with one of our finance managers. They'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. Okay? That's what you have to do to create value in paintless dent repair. If you just say, we're going to give you paintless dent repair, it's in 1 ear and out the other. The customer will see no value. It's just a dead expense to the dealership, which is not a good thing.
When you do that with all of them,
What's the next one on the list?
key replacement.
Austin, we're going to provide you key replacement for a year. Now, your experience with lost or broken keys. Have you ever had a lost or broken key?
Yeah, my key's it's broken. I've used super glue on it like 3 times. Just keeps breaking like in the last 6 months. It's probably been that way.
Did you look into actually getting it replaced?
No, I just keep trying to fix it.
Okay. Hey, you know what? I don't blame you. That's exactly what I would do. And it's quite frankly, it's what most people do. However, you're going to end up buying a new key for somebody. Because when you go to trade or sell your vehicle, someone's going to want 2 good keys for your vehicle. Any idea what it would cost to replace that key?
$100.
A little bit more than that. Austin, that key and key fob, it's a mini computer. It's got a chip that requires programming. So, for the next year, if you lose or the key that comes with the vehicle malfunctions, we're going to replace it for you at no cost to you. Ford Motor Company doesn't cover it. We do cover it. We'll not only replace your key, if you go to the lake and go swimming, drop the key into the lake, well, you're pretty much stuck because you can't get into your car, can you?
Yeah.
We'll provide you a lockout service to get into your car. We'll tow your car to the nearest place that can replace the key. We'll pay for the key, we'll pay for the programming, and we'll pay up to $200 for other keys on your key ring if you lose the entire key ring. We'll do this twice. Okay? And if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than a year, Austin, you ought to look into extending it. You can take it out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. Okay? This is how you create value in key replacement. What's next?
Next we have